artist Isaac. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do a simple 2-light photo shoot setup. Stay tuned. Okay, so here we are. We're with model Nicole for today. Thank you very much for being here, Nicole. Oh, okay, so let's get to it. I'm going to show you quickly how to do a 2-light, or how this photo shoot is going to have a 2-light setup. Okay, so we'll begin from front to back. In the front, we have a beauty dish, but it's not just a beauty dish. It is powered by a Profoto D2 strobe, and in the front, there's a grid. Why am I using the grid? I'm using the grid because I want directional lights on my model. Now, what does that do? That focuses the light on my model, and depending on how far I have the beauty dish or the strobe all together from the background, it will set her apart from the backdrop. If I have the strobe too close to the backdrop, I'm not going to get the look I'm going for. If it's too close, then I might get too much light onto the backdrop, and I don't want that. Why don't I want that? Because I want there to be a natural vignette in the back. And this light in the back, another strobe, and on it I have another beauty dish, and this is a 20-inch beauty dish. Now I have it set up around her torso area. I already metered it, I already metered the lights, and I already tested to see where the vignette was gonna fall on the backdrop. And right now it's set up so that it's right around her torso area. So again, with her being away from the backdrop, the strobe being further back, I'm not getting spill from this light onto the backdrop. So again, I'm getting a natural vignette. If you get light on your backdrop and you realize that you didn't get it in camera because your space in your studio perhaps is too small, it happens. You could always add a vignette in post, and that's perfectly fine, right? But the more you get in camera, the better you'll be at your work and figuring out what you need. It's all about just figuring out what you need in the back of your mind, what you're planning for, and then you can make that happen in camera. Okay, and we're also tethering. We've already taken a couple of shots, tested it out. We haven't really done the shoot yet, but we were just figuring out how the light was gonna fall on her. I meter the lights at f8, okay? So I'll give you my camera settings right now. I'm shooting, first of all, with a Nikon, the D850, my favorite camera body right now. And right now, my flash speed sync is 200th of a second. I'm shooting at f8. My native ISO on the Nikon D850 is 64, and naturally, because I'm shooting strobes, I'm shooting a white balance, the flash white balance. Okay, and we have our model Nicole in front of the backdrop, which is held up by Savage Universal's porta stand, right? So it's great because it's portable, you can take it anywhere with you, outdoors, on location, wherever you want to go. And what I have on it is a coral colored paper seamless backdrop, right? So we're in the middle of summer, we want to keep the colors popping and lively, so we chose coral for this shoot. All right, stay tuned, enjoy. Right, nice, yeah, love that. Awesome, awesome, and all right, let's. Yeah, I like that. That was dope. Drop your chin as you go. Okay, thank you very much for watching this 2-light setup. If you like this video, please shoot that like button. If you have any questions, comment down below. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification so you can see when I'm posting more videos like this one. Thank you and enjoy.